Here at Sunshine Solar, we know that switching to solar will be an exhilarating process, which is why we want to break it down and show you the 8 easy steps to going solar. We will explain local and federal incentives which save you thousands of dollars, all for no money out of pocket. That's right, $0 down to wipe out your electric bill, giving you the financial freedom from escalating Pacific Power bills, all while producing green renewable energy from your home. So why not let Sunshine work for you? The first step of the process is getting a copy of your electric bill. This allows us to evaluate how much energy your home consumes and then team up with our designers to create a customized system in order to offset your usage. Step 2 is led by our solar consultants. At this part of the process, they will meet with you and go over the design that was created specifically for your home. The energy savings report that provides competitive pricing along with all available rebates, incentives, and of course, the answers to all your questions. Our solar consultants will get you qualified for our zero down financing as well as go over all the incentives available to you in your area. Everyone should be getting thousands of dollars. You do not want to miss out. We work hard to offer you all the available incentives. Some clients get an additional $7,500 in instant savings taken right off the top. We are certified by multiple organizations to offer additional rebates that other companies simply cannot. In the next step, we will conduct a site survey of your home. In this step, one of our trained professionals will come to your home, evaluate your electrical panel, and take measurements of your roof to make sure that we have everything needed for permitting and planning. Step 5 is permitting and engineering. This part of the process is where we finalize your design, get the permits for your home, and create a net metering account with Pacific Power. We handle all the paperwork in-house and have great working relations throughout Southern Oregon. This process can take some time, so be patient. Once permits are approved, we move on to step 6. Installation. This is the exciting part where our skilled team of trained installation professionals come to your home to set up your solar system. We tend to install most systems within a day or two, and the immediate goal is to have your system entirely installed and commissioned, which means on, backfeeding the grid, and the ability to monitor your system. With 15 plus years of installation experience, you can be rest assured that we use only quality materials and it's installed right the first time. Once your solar system is installed, we move on to step 7, your inspection. In this important step, the local inspector visits your home to make sure everything is compliant and is usually scheduled for the following day after your installation. This ensures quick approval from Pacific Power and gets your system on and producing as soon as possible. After inspection, we move on to the best part by turning on your solar system and producing clean, renewable energy for your home while simultaneously turning what used to be a power bill into a growing asset for your house. Here, one of our team members will come by after you have permission to operate, PTO, for Pacific Power, have a walkthrough with you, and get you set up with monitoring so you can see real-time production and the return on your investment. And that's how easy it is to turn your monthly bill into an asset and produce clean, renewable energy by going solar, all for zero down. We know that after hearing the 8-step process, you may have some questions. For example, what happens in the winter to my solar production? There's a process we call net metering. It's an account with Pacific Power allowing you to bank kilowatt hours during the summer when you're producing more energy than you can use. And that excess energy is passed back to the grid, building your bank of credits. Then, when there are cloudy days or when winter comes, you can use those bank credits to pull energy back from the grid at no cost to you. Don't worry, we set all this up for you too. If you still have more questions, click the link below and we will get you those answers. Sunshine Solar in Grants Pass, Southern Oregon's premier installer. Let Sunshine work for you.